Hey, hi, hello, what is up, guys? So, in this video, we'll talk about the interview process. What I observe from all the Big Four is that they have a standard interview process and assessment, and there are three rounds of interviews. First is HR round, technical round, and partner round. So basically, in HR round, she assesses you your communication skills and confidence, and she just wants you to speak and speak confidently. In technical round, he is a manager of around 5 to 6 years of work experience, will test you your problem solving attitude, and he will ask you question from your area of interest to area you don't have any idea about, and he just want to see what is your approach toward the problem. And interesting fact here, once my friend in KPMG technical interview was asked about some indies, and he didn't have any idea about the indies, but he was smart and he basically knew there's no much difference between A's and indies. So he said to interview, he has read the indies, he knows the answer, but he doesn't remember at the moment. So and guess what, he got the job. So confidence. So back to the answer, in partner round, people believe it is the deciding round, but I don't think so. After being 7 months in EY, I realized that it is the manager decision whether he wants to hire you or not. And partner round is not a deciding round. If you are called a partner round, so chances are more or less you are already shortlisted for job offer. Now, what we should technically be prepared for. So firstly, you should be prepared in mind how would you introduce yourself. Even if everything written on the CV, they want you to walk them through it. And now you should answer in hooks. And like she asked me, so what are your hobbies, as you have not mentioned in your CV. And me, I'm passionate about two things. One of them is guitar, and now she has asked me, okay, what's the other one? And this way, I have the steering of the interview. I can drive her anywhere, wherever I want. So now, technically, you should be sound enough to know the basic of your subject and have a little bit knowledge of everything. Like for statutory audit position, I was asked question on is indies, company law, tax audit clause, general accounting process, general business process, and always bear a smile on your face. It makes you more confident and charming. And wear white shirt and tie. And also, it could be if you could afford. That would be suit would be great for you. But I shall clarify. It doesn't affect much wearing the suit, and wearing a tie is important, and a little bit of general knowledge about current affair is always helpful in better communication and bonding. Like when I was being interviewed, it was PNB scheme, and that was the hot news. So generally it used to be conversation starter, as I used to be conversation starter, as I used to be lured to the interview in a bed of topic which I have knowledge on. Like he asked me, okay, so what is the internal control deficiency, and me blah blah blah, like we can observe in case of PMB. So now I knew what his next question will be. He asked, oh, so since I already read about PNB, so he was impressed by me. And also be respectful to everyone you meet, at least at the interview place. And be confident at whatever you speak, and take a stand while answering, and don't change it because interview is confusing you. He only reinsure you on question which you answer correctly, and he wants to check whether you stick with the stand which you know is correct or just get moved under pressure. And okay, so I think I covered everything. And yeah, one of the most important thing you should be prepared for is why should we hire you, and don't get carried away by what you feel and what you read on internet. Be genuine. And one more sword is why us. If partner round is of Deloitte, he asked me the question. Since the question was implied, I read everything about the company, and got to know the all its major client have moved to EY in rotation. Okay, so yeah, I think it's helped a lot this video. for interview process. And if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe.